Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
Hi mommies, congratulations. Your doctor gave you the breaking news that you are carrying twins. Oh my God, were you mentally prepared? I'm sure not. And now you have all that excitement. It's so nice to see twins. But when it comes to you, life is full of challenges. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will make your journey a little more comfortable by simple information. Now, there is definitely a difference between a singleton pregnancy and a twin pregnancy. I think you are very fond of bonuses in life. Buy one, get one free. And this time, God gave you that because that is the law of attraction. Whatever you want, you will get more. So in a singleton pregnancy, you do have nausea and vomiting. But in twin pregnancy, this is more. Because you have two fetuses, the hormonal levels are a little more. That is why more of nausea and vomiting. And this will persist for about 14 weeks. I know it could be so energy draining. You could have much more fatigue as compared to a singleton pregnancy. But this is how it is going to be. Keep yourself hydrated, eat the right things, and you will be ready to go. First thing is here. Whatever thoughts come here will manifest. So just enjoy your twin pregnancy. Now the belly. In a normal pregnancy, we know how much it grows. But in a twin pregnancy, it will definitely grow more than that. Please don't do Google search for pictures of twin bellies because that will really scare you. The change happens so gradually that you will not even feel the difference. You will not feel the discomfort. Yeah, a little bit. Once they grow to their maximum size, it is definitely a little heavier, but then you can manage it. So many women have been managing it for so many centuries. You are no different, and I know you'll become more stronger after seeing this video. Now, exercise. Singleton pregnancies, I always say, if you're more active, you're going to have a nice, healthy, happy baby. In a twin pregnancy, also exercises play a role. Unless and until your doctor has asked you for a bed rest or not to exercise, you can do exercise. Simple exercises like face yoga, joint movement, chair yoga, simple movement of all your joints. That is something you can do very easily and comfortably. Because when you exercise, when you do yoga, the endorphins are secreted, you feel happy, the circulation is better, so your baby will also be healthy and happy. The doctor's visits, the antenatal visits. In a singleton pregnancy, we ask you to visit us once a month till 28 weeks. And after that, every 15 days. In the end, we might even call you weekly. But in twin pregnancy, you need lots of care. So we ask you to see us more often. From the beginning, it could be every 15 to 20 days. That depends on your mental and physical condition as well. And the doctor will decide what is best for you. Now, the ultrasound scans. In a normal pregnancy, singleton pregnancy, we have 3 or 4 scans. But in a twin pregnancy, you might have more scans depending on your doctor and what kind of pregnancy is continuing. If you have any complications, don't worry. All the complications are manageable. So maybe in every visit also you might have a scan. And one thing, please remember this and share it with your friends also, that scans in pregnancy are 200% safe for you and for your baby. I'm sure you're enjoying this video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Ask your questions. We are there for you. Now let us see food. So many people have this thought that once you become pregnant, you have to eat for 2. Now you have twins. Are you going to eat for 3? It's just not possible. In a singleton pregnancy, we ask you to have just 300 calories extra. Whatever is your diet, in that you just have to have 300 extra calories. But in twins, it is definitely a little more. And it is the calorie, not the food quantity. So in the first trimester, you will have 300 calories extra for one baby and another 300 calories extra for the second baby. So that is 600 extra calories in the first trimester. Now in the second trimester, this increases to 340 plus 340, that is 680 extra calories. Now comes the third trimester, the challenging phase. In this, 452 plus 452, that is about 904 calories extra is needed for the proper growth of your babies. Now in the food, we cannot forget about our water. Normal 8 glasses of water is what we advise in pregnancy. Besides having your coconut water, other fruit juices, buttermilk, but in a twin pregnancy, your water level will also increase from 8 to 12 glasses depending on your weight, what kind of weather and which city you are in. Now travel is one thing that we all are worried about. In a singleton pregnancy, you can safely travel till 36 weeks. But in a twin pregnancy, this limit is only 24 weeks. After that, if you have to travel, then it is your decision with risks involved. The delivery time now. In a normal singleton pregnancy, you deliver between 38 to 40 weeks. But twins are known for prematurity. 54% mothers deliver prematurely. 54%, that's a huge number. And the average is, what is prematurity? Prematurity is less than 37 weeks. And the average is 35 weeks. So be prepared to deliver around 34 or 35 weeks. Your doctor will keep monitoring and the doctor will tell you when to get admitted. And suddenly if you develop some signs of labor, you must not wait. Just get in touch with your doctor and go to the hospital immediately. Now another question, vaginal delivery or is it going to be a cesarean section? You'll be surprised to know that even today 40% of twin pregnancies deliver normally. But there are a few catches. If you're a primigravida, that is you're pregnant for the first time and you're carrying twins, cesarean is a safer bet. And if you're mother for the second time or the third time, then you have more chances of having a normal delivery as well. It depends on the position of both the babies also. In case if both the heads are down of both the babies, then you have 40% chances of having a normal delivery. And sometimes the babies are cupped into each other. One head is low, one head is up. So in that condition also, you might have some chances of having a normal delivery. But if you have triplets and the first baby is breech, then there is no way that we would want to wait for a vaginal delivery. Then cesarean and you become a happy mother. If the baby is oblique or a transverse lie, or the babies are having any fetal distress, we will not wait for any trial, we will directly go in for a cesarean. In very, very rare cases, even I had to do it once, the first baby was delivered normally, but for the second baby, I had to do a cesarean. So very rarely such things also happen. And in a normal delivery, the time difference between the first baby and the second baby could vary from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. Now, the fetal kick count. How do you calculate and how can you know which baby is moving? After about 18 to 20 weeks, you can actually appreciate the difference in both the babies. So, if it is moving on the right side, you know this baby is moving. If it is moving on the left side, you know this baby is moving. What is important for you is there should be movement on both the sides. It is not necessary that both of them will move together. As compared to a singleton pregnancy, twin pregnancy, the movement you will be able to feel more. And when we also examine, we can also appreciate multiple fetal parts. But don't be paranoid about the kick count. Just normal movements are important. Sometimes your babies might not move for a while. Remember, the baby also sleeps. So don't panic. As long as the babies are moving, everything is going on fine. And if you have any doubt, please don't hesitate to go and consult your doctor. Now you are in the hospital. You are very closely monitored. For a primary, we will not wait. We will go directly for a cesarean section. But if you are a second-time mother or a third-time mother, we might wait for a vaginal delivery if everything is fine. In that condition, you will be monitored very closely. And with twins, a bigger team is needed. We need more staff, and there will be 2 pediatricians to manage both your babies. So now with all this, you have delivered your twins. The weight of a singleton baby could be 3 kgs or more, but in a twin pregnancy, the weight is normally not 3 kgs. Even if we have 2+ kg or maybe 2.5 kgs, we consider those twins to be good. After delivery, the twins do need a lot of care. Breastfeeding is important even in a singleton pregnancy and in a twin pregnancy also. But sometimes your breast milk is not enough to feed 2 children. Initially, first few weeks it is good enough. After that, consult the pediatrician and you will have to give some top feed as well. It depends on your pediatrician whether he allows cow's milk or formula feed. That will be his decision. I am happy to share all these simple tips with you so that your journey becomes smooth. I don't want any pregnant girl to be stressed because of whatever silly reasons. Most of the times we are so worried, we Google and we become more worried. Remember, it is your thought and 2 babies are being affected. So it is important for you to be happy, think good, eat well and rest well. Thank you and namaste.